Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my top or favorite items from Amazon under $15. Since I do a lot of Amazon videos on my channel, I was like, you know what, let me go through all my Amazon purchases in the last few years and see what my favorites are that I can recommend to you guys that are under $15. So I was able to come up with like 6 or 7. These items are not going to break the bank and I'm obsessed with them. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see my top items from Amazon under $15, then just keep watching. I'm going to start with the smaller items and work my way up. Now, the first item I have mentioned in a few videos before, and I went on Amazon today and I looked at the price and I'm like, I definitely paid like $19.99 and now I think I wrote the price down. They're down to 11 bucks, but these are the magic backs. I don't want to get too close up because my camera will kind of lose focus of it, but basically what these are they are earring backs that make your earring perfectly center in your ear and prevent your earring from drooping. Now, for me, this is awesome because one of my holes in my ears, I think it's this side, is a little bit lower than the other one. And then say days that I would wear pearl earrings, especially the bigger pearl earrings, they would droop. I have the magic backs in right now, and if I did not have these earring backs on right now, just normal ones, these would be drooping down there. They'd be like hanging. If you guys have seen in other videos, I wear even bigger, almost like costume jewelry earrings, and if I did not have the magic backs, they would be drooping. They just hold the earring up. I'm obsessed. I remember it was like 2 years ago, I saw the infomercial on TV and like I grabbed my husband and I was like, oh my God, I need this. So I went to Amazon and I remember for like 2 packs of them, I paid like $19. Now it's down to $11. So these are transformational. They're very affordable, and honestly, they make such a huge difference with earrings, especially like bigger earrings that would tend to droop. Even smaller earrings, you guys, because normally on a day-to-day basis, I don't wear pearls this big, but even my smaller pearls, they make such a difference. They just make them look perfectly center in my ear. So the next item I've mentioned before in a few of my Amazon videos, but this is the Tinkle Brow. Generally speaking, it will come with 3 in 1 pack, and on Amazon they are offered for 2 packs, or you get 6 of them. And typically I pay about like $7. I paid like $9 before. You can get 6 or 2 packs of 3. And I wrote it down, hold on a second. You can get 2 packs of 3 or 6 of them for $4.25 with free shipping. Like, that's insane. It's like weird. I think they're like marking down a lot of items on Amazon. So that is definitely a great deal. But I want to recommend these to you guys because I use them all the time. Basically, it's like called shaving your face, but it's not really shaving your face. It's just removing all like the baby hairs around your face. And I know some people will be like, oh my God, if I do that, is my facial hair going to grow back in dark? No, that is a myth. It is not true. And these are great. So I do it right when I get out of the shower, like wash my face and everything, about once a week. I just go in downward motions and it just removes all the like baby hair. But this is also great as well because it's like exfoliating your face. It gets all the dead skin cells off. And then in terms of applying your makeup, it goes on flawlessly. So I do this about once a week, so I just wanted to recommend these to you guys. Next, you guys have seen these in a few of my videos. They are a recent purchase that I am obsessed with, but they are these adorable, like thick or wide headbands. They're velvet with the faux pearls on them, and then they've got kind of like a knot on the top. Hopefully you guys can see, like on the black one, you guys can kind of see how it's got a knot on the top. But these are so popular right now, and all like the like late 80s, early 90s trends of like headbands and clips and everything like that are coming back. And I just think these are the perfect accessory for an outfit. You can make like a plain outfit look super cute or glam. And they also come in another color selection as well. So I obviously got the black, the pink, and the beige. It also is offered in the gray, the beige, and the pink. Item number 4 I have mentioned in many of my Amazon and non-Amazon related videos. It is the Caldrea Countertop Spray, and this is my favorite. This is the Pear Blossom Agave, or Agave, I don't know how to say it. I also have the Rosewater Driftwood. Now, between the two, this one is definitely a little bit more powerful in terms of smell than the Rosewater Driftwood. But you guys, the reason why I'm recommending this to you guys, well, there's 2 reasons why I'm recommending this to you guys. First off is because you use this to wipe down your kitchen countertops or anything like so, even your sink. You will smell this all day long, and after I get done cleaning in my kitchen, the aroma, it's just so nice, you guys. You smell it all day long. This is the best cleaning countertop spray ever. Now, I don't think it like particularly disinfects. So if you really want to deep clean, I would go in with something that's going to kill the germs. So sometimes I go in with like my Lysol spray. Then I go back in afterwards with this to make it smell amazing. Now, the other thing why I wanted to recommend this to you guys is because if you were to purchase it, on Caltraea's website, you are going to be paying more money for it, and then I think it's like anything over $40 or $35 is free shipping. So if you were just to buy this, you'd have to pay for the shipping. Same with the other website. It's the Grove Collaborative. It's like a cleaning product website. I think over $35 you get the free shipping, but if not, you'd have to pay for the shipping as well. With Amazon, this is $9.97, and then the Rosewater Driftwood, I wrote this down, is $10.76. And you're getting the free shipping. So that's why I wanted to recommend this. But lastly, I just want to read, just so I can kind of describe what this smells like to you guys. It says that this is a sunny, succulent blend of pear blossom and agave with notes of French melon and citrus. So this grew on me. At first, I wasn't sure if I liked it, but it grew on me, and I'm completely obsessed with it. And I know many of you guys tell me after you purchase this, you're like, oh my goodness. And the Rosewater Driftwood is a little bit lighter, but still it's powerful. You're going to smell all day. So I would definitely highly recommend either one. For this next product, I don't think I mentioned in any of my recent videos because obviously it's only going to pertain to like pretty much one season unless you're going on vacation, but it is this adorable beach hat. So on Amazon, and you guys will see the link down below, this seller, they offer so many different cute phrases, and then they also offer different colors. They offer black, and I believe they offer white, and they offer a lot of like, you know, bride-to-be, bridesmaids, just all cute different sayings. So I went with this one, Resting Beach Face. I'm obsessed with it, you guys. When I purchased this, I want to say I purchased this about a year ago from Amazon. It was definitely, I want to say, closer to $20. And this is another item where now this is going for like $15. Now, some phrases or colors might vary in price, but this particular one is $15. I'm obsessed. So I kind of just like wear it like that. Hold on, like the flap thingy is in my way. So I kind of just like wear it like that, and then the Resting Beach Face is in the back. But I'm obsessed with it. Again, like if you just don't want the sun in your face, you just do this. Or if you don't want anybody to see you, you just do this. Last but not least, I wanted to mention this tumbler. Now, this says it's a wine tumbler. Yes, I will be putting wine in it, but I also will put other things in it. It doesn't necessarily have to be wine. It could even be coffee. So this is what it looks like, and it says, not a day over fabulous. I think they have a couple different colors, but I love the mint, you guys. The lid definitely seals tight, but these are good to have even in the warmer weather when you just want to keep your water cold and kind of sip it. This is great. Coffee in the morning, this is going to keep it hot. I will be putting wine in this again. This is called a wine tumbler. So I just thought this was super cute. I like to use these also when I'm reading outside of my back porch when I'm drinking water. I like to use these as well instead of a water bottle. It's just easier to drink out of. But I also wanted to mention that they do come with a little metal straw. So when I don't want to have this lid on, I can kind of just use the metal straw. And then they also come with this little spoolie as well to kind of clean out the metal straw. So this cute little tumbler is $14 right now on Amazon. I know it's kind of like washing it out. If I like do this, you can kind of see the print of it, how it says not a day over fabulous. But I just thought this was super cute, so I wanted to recommend it to you guys. It's super affordable, and it's a super cute way to keep your drinks warm or cold. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my top items from Amazon under $15. Now, I can definitely do this type of video again and find other things under $15. I just didn't want to like overload this video and have it be super long. And also, let me know in the comments down below, have you tried any of these items? Do you plan on trying any of these items? Are there any items that are under $15 from Amazon that I need to know about? I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.